Summer and blueberry cobbler go together. And served warm with vanilla ice cream? Yum! Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika. Ready? Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease your 8x8 baking dish with butter. Put the rinsed blueberry in a large mixing bowl. Add the 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and about 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon zest. Give it a good mix and transfer the blueberry mixture to your baking dish. Set it aside. In another mixing bowl, combine the 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then add the cold diced butter and using your hands, mix until crumbles form. Add the cream and combine using a spatula until the dough roughly forms large crumbles. Now, form the dough into 9 small round flattened balls and place evenly on top of the blueberries. Place a baking dish on a cookie sheet and put into the 400-degree oven. Bake for 20 to 22 minutes. Serve warm on individual plate or bowls with your favorite vanilla ice cream. And thanks for watching my video.